Sivukile siyabonga on a Thursday morning, uLwesine lomkhuleko. It's the Courage to Continue space. It's just a platform really that is created to remind you lapho ukhona ukuthi have the courage to continue against all odds. Have the courage to continue. And today's insight is a reflection on a story found in the Bible. It's itholakala Genesis 22. It's the story of Abraham. Most people will know the story. And in this story, God instructs Abraham to go and sacrifice his son. But I just want you to reflect on the lessons that I myself have reflected on, because as I talk to you, as I give you these reflections, I am also reflecting, I am also growing, I am also healing, I'm also in service to my own growth and soul ascension. So let's look at the words and let's look at God instructs Abraham to go and sacrifice his son at a specific mountain. So, instruction number one, or let's look at who is instructing God. So, and ask ourselves, who is giving instructions in our own lives? Who are you listening to? What instructions are you listening to? Whose instructions are you listening to? Is God's voice still audible in your life? Are you still able to hear God? Or are we taking instructions from the world, from the system, from our friends, from our families, from everywhere other than the Creator or divinity? And what is the instruction saying? Are we able to understand God's instructions? And when He gives us instructions, do we have faith, enough faith, believe and trust that whatever that God instructs us to do, where He instructs us to go, it is for our good. And He says, go to a specific mountain. He names the mountain. Lapho khona, where you are, is it God's instruction? Are you at the right mountain, or are you somewhere wena lakuthanda khona wena? Because there is a specific mountain that God said to Abraham, go to. And He says, go and sacrifice your son, a valuable thing in his life, a treasure. What is it that you have of value that you sometimes or might be at times be expected to sacrifice, and are you willing to do that? There are things that we need to let go of. There are people and environments that we need to let go of that we love. Are we willing? Would you be willing to sacrifice those things for your destiny? And God says, when you even look up on the whole issue of the mountain, you find that some of us are not stuck, but I am a doctor stuck in an engineering sector. I am a healer stuck in the corporate world. I am born to be a leader, to lead, to play a certain role in Pilweni, but I'm stuck being a follower. And then it's a mountain. Mountains by nature, they are steep. They are a challenge. You have to summit a mountain. And what are those mountains that you are scared to summit? What are those challenges that you don't have the courage to face? What is it that you are not willing to climb? Because those mountains are your challenges, and it was steep. And He says, so Abraham takes a few of some people, aphila nabo, but when he gets to the mountain, he leaves them at the bottom. But who are those people, Naati, that we cling on, we tag along, we hang on to? What are those environments that we don't want to leave behind? Because some journeys you have to take alone. And when he gets to the peak or the top of the mountain, God provides, because he ends up not needing to sacrifice because God provides. So a lesson is that, really following on what we spoke about in my last video, God will provide where he has sent you. So are you where God has sent you? It takes obedience. It takes listening, having listening skills. It takes having a willing heart to sacrifice where you are needed, expected to. Sometimes things that you deem as valuable, it takes stamina to be able to climb, to face those challenges, and it takes being willing to travel alone when you are instructed and required to do that. It takes faith, having faith that God provides and rewards obedience. It really takes faith. Have a lovely and a blessed Thursday.